Are you looking for ways to wrap your gifts with less waste? Well, today we're going to show you how to make reusable, sustainable gift wrap out of the fabric scraps that you already have. This is the final part of our scrap busting series where we show you how to take your fabric scraps and make projects that are both useful and beautiful. Be sure to check out our whole playlist to see all the videos in this series. Before we get to the tutorial, I want to give you a few ideas for picking out fabric that you can use for wrapping. Depending on the size of your gift, you may need as little as half a yard to make gift wrap. Both knits and wovens can work depending on your gift. It can help to finish the edges of your fabric. You can quickly do this by serging them or pinking them. If you have some time, you can miter the corners of your fabric and they can double as cloth napkins or tea towels. Then you're giving two gifts in one. We have a tutorial for sewing cloth napkins that shows you how to make perfect mitered corners. We'll link it below. If you don't have a big enough piece, create some patchwork fabric wrap. Use the first tutorial in the scrap busting series to learn how to create patchwork yardage. You can also use a fabric tote bag as gift wrapping. We have a tutorial for how to sew a reversible tote bag, so look for episode 6 of the scrap busting series. So go dig into your stash to see what fabrics you already have for gift wrapping. Now I'm going to show you 3 clever ways to wrap your presents. When you join, you get access to our entire catalog of over 200 modern sewing patterns, from quick and easy tops to wear anywhere dresses to tailored blazers and pants. We help you to design and craft your own wardrobe. Membership also gets you access to Design Your Wardrobe, our popular course that walks you through a process for laying out a seasonal wardrobe that you can sew. Plus, membership includes our library of dozens of sew-along classes, and best of all, access to our private sewing community, including tens of thousands of members, where you can post projects, ask questions, and even find sewing friends near you. I hang out there all the time along with Haley and the rest of the team here at Seamwork, and I'd love for you to join me. YouTube subscribers get half off a Seamwork membership, making it an incredibly good deal. To sign up, just click the button on screen or the link in the description below to claim your offer. I hope you loved this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.